Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostic mode on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Diagnostic mode on this unit consists of three different portions. We have a UI or button test, we have a service test mode, as well as your fault codes. Now, to enter diagnostics, we do have to press a sequence of buttons. Now, when you enter diagnostics, the first thing that's going to pop up is our fault codes. And to enter, we're going to press these three keys. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now at this point, it will blink. If it blinks twice, that means that there is no codes inside the system. But if there is an error code, it will pop up immediately. And in order to go to the next error code, you actually press the third key. Now, when I press the third key here, it's blinking 2 times. All the lights will illuminate, blink twice. That's showing that, again, I have no error codes. Once you get to the end of your error codes, that's what will pop up, just to show you that you're at the end. Now, depending on the lights that are blinking, you will want to refer to your tech manual to see what code represents what, as there are 5 different error codes you find in here, such as main control, stuck button, exhaust thermistor, open or shorted thermistor, moisture sensor, and communication error. Now, in order to exit diagnostics, you'll want to press and hold the first key, and it will exit. Now, the next portion of diagnostics that I'll show you is going to be the UI test. So let's enter it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, as soon as it beeps twice, showing that there's no errors inside the system, you will press your temp button. When you press this, all of your lights will illuminate. You can turn your knob, and this will show you if your knob is working correctly. Now, eventually, all of the lights will come on. Each button you press will change a different LED indicator. That's how you'll go through and check to make sure all of the UI functions are working correctly. Now again, in order to exit, press and hold the first key. The last portion of diagnostics I'll show you is a service test mode. And in order to enter this, you'll want to press the same 3 keys, but as soon as it is done blinking, you'll want to press the second key and then start. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's going to blink. As soon as it's done, second key, start. All the LEDs will turn on, and at this point, it's going to turn on all of the functions of the dryer, your heater, everything. In order to advance through the actual test mode, you'll want to press the temp key. As soon as you press it, this is going to indicate that we're going to start going through the steps. Still, again, your motor, heaters, everything is turned on. As soon as you press it the first time, it is going to turn the heater off. Now, if you're testing it, you'll want to keep the heater off for a certain amount of time, maybe like 10, 20 seconds before we enter the next step in order to exhaust all of that hot air. So we'll wait a couple of seconds here. Now, to enter the next step, and you'll see the LED will change as I open the door. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is testing out the door functionality. Now, the last portion of the test, you'll want to put your hand in and swipe on your moisture sensors, and you'll hear a beep. That's showing that this is working properly. Now, this is the end of service diagnostic mode. In order to exit, simply close the door. You'll see all of our LEDs blinked, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.